Hey guys. Um, I've had requests, and one of them was actually a request from a while ago, and it was to talk about my, I guess, dental hygiene on a day-to-day basis and the type of work I've had done. Um, I've had braces for 2 years, just short, and right after that I had about 2 years worth of oral surgeries because my two front teeth right here, those two are fake. Thanks, Mom. Very hereditary, very common. I was missing those two teeth. Don't know why. Someone's blowing up my phone. But I've had cavities before. Um, Always been really small because I try to take care of my teeth, but they've never exceeded anything drastic. Um, Dental work is nothing to be afraid of. It they have all sorts of things out to help you with pain, I guess. Um, they've got tons of Novocaine. They've got gel shots, gas. They've got it all. Like for my surgeries, I always had them put me under because I didn't like the fact of being awake for a surgery. My very first surgery, I had no choice. They didn't put me under. So I had about 12 shots in my mouth after gel, and my mouth was entirely numb from about this area and a little into my cheeks. But my nose was entirely numb, my upper lip felt about this big, and it was ridiculous. And that was, how long ago was that? Had to be about almost 5 years ago. Um, Let me see. Um, I don't know what much else to say. How about, okay, my day to day dental hygiene, not as healthy as it should be. That's the extent of it. I brush my teeth every morning. I floss every once in a while. I usually use mouth rinse, but I've been on travel lately. I'm at my dad's house actually. Leaving tomorrow, sadly. But I will be leaving tomorrow and continuing my mouthwash. I don't have it with me though. Hard to pack in a big bottle. You know, it's huge. Why? Um, but I don't usually brush at night unless I eat really late. I will brush at night because I don't like the nasty all over my teeth. It's just bleh. Um, Let me see. What kind of fillings to get? My dental insurance is very good. I under the military and whatnot. So I get very cheap fillings done for what should cost me a lot of money, and I don't pay for it myself. But I usually get white fillings because my mom doesn't like the silver in my mouth and stuff. If they're baby teeth, that's one thing. They're going to fall out eventually, so there's no point in paying the extra money for white fillings. But my mom always got me in my permanent teeth. If I ever had a cavity, she always had me get the white fillings so that when you open your mouth to talk, you don't see black, like star looking spots in your teeth, and it tends to look like rotting over time, and I just personally don't think it looks that great. So those are the type of fillings that I get, and that would be why. Uh, Other than that, basic overview. I have bad dental hygiene, but my teeth still look pretty decent, I think. Um, I don't floss as often as I should, but I usually use mouthwash and I brush at least once a day. They usually say that if you are going to brush once a day, that you should brush at night, because when you're sleeping is when the most bacteria harbors in your mouth and the most bacteria will create in your sleep. It's kind of weird, but it's due to the fact that your mouth is always shut, it's always warm, and it's always moist. So germs and bacteria like to grow in moist, warm places, and the mouth is the number one spot. So I don't like doggy breath in the morning, which is why I brush in the morning. Maybe rinse in the night. I don't know. It's kind of a personal thing. Um, but as far as dental work goes, I've had fillings done. I've had sealants on my teeth where I guess as, a certain age span, you have to get sealants on your teeth to help protect them. Um, but I've had plenty of cavities filled. No big deal, I think anyway. Um, I've had braces for 2 years. I wore a retainer for 2 years because it was holding places for my two fake teeth. And actually, if I had my retainer, I would show it to you. It has two teeth actually built on the retainer, and it's kind of an odd but very cool looking contraption. They look totally real. It was pretty cool. But I wore that for about 2 years until I got my real fake teeth in. um, but after 2 years, I got implants done. I had, over those 2 years, out of the no, how about this? Out of the 4 years that I had braces and all my oral surgeries, I had 2 permanent teeth extracted, 2 years worth of braces. Then oh, I had my wisdom teeth removed. 6 months later, I had a bone graft. 6 months later, I had the implants put in, and about a month later, I had the actual crowns of the tooth of each implant put on. So lots and lots of dental work. It kind of became a very normal thing for me, and I got really used to it. Um, if you're kind of concerned about if you happen to have like spots on your teeth from braces where you have discoloration, the best thing to do for that, don't do at home bleaching, because it might just make the spots worse and more noticeable. So the best thing to do would be to talk to your dentist and ask what's the best option for you. I can't whiten my teeth. I wish I could have a whiter smile. It's not that bad, but I'd like to whiten it up a bit. But I can't because of my implants. They won't change color, so I'm stuck with what I've got. My sister, actually, my younger sister, she's about to get braces put on. But when she was a baby, she ran a high fever, and it created some weird development of the enamel on her front 4 teeth. And so she doesn't have the full amount of enamel that she's supposed to have. So after she gets her braces off and all of her teeth are straightened out and whatnot, they're going to put veneers over them. Well, they're going to have to color match her teeth as well, so she won't be able to color those either, because they're going to be, my implants are porcelain. I don't know what other materials they use to make implants, but that's basically all I've got. I hope it helped give you a basic idea of someone else's point of view on dental hygiene and the kind of work that they've had done. So, coming up on 10 minutes, gotta cut my video short, so let me know if this helped. For anyone else, comment down below. Love to hear feedback. Any more suggestions, let me know. Later, guys.